Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to today's video weekend forecast for today's video. So as always on a Saturday, having a detailed look at the weather for the weekend. I shall get on with that for you in a moment. Just to say that the first video release today was our 6 AM UK weather forecast. We've also released the ECM WF42 day forecast with a UK and Ireland focus. We'll be back later on with your 10 to 14 day. Please like, share and subscribe on all of today's videos and content. Thank you so much everybody for doing that. Thanks so much to Weather Outlook and also to Vector for supplying the charts and the data. Thank you so much to WZ and 2. Right, well, we're going to start off with the, I'm so sorry everybody, we're going to start off with the radar then, and it's been quite a wet morning in the north and west, and quite persistent rain at times through Wales, particularly northern England and Scotland. So this has been quite heavy, as you can see, with those bright echoes mixing, turning a little bit more showery though out to the west across Northern Ireland. This afternoon we'll see these more persistent areas of rain moving off into the North Sea, but plenty of showers will be following along the high. So those showers have got into southern counties as well, though much of the Midlands, east and south east has been mostly dry. A few showers are possible there this afternoon. Reason for all of this unsettled weather is this area of low pressure to the west of Scotland. That's bringing in this quite strong westerly wind and also the rain and showers as well. So for the rest of this afternoon we'll find those more persistent areas of wet weather across Scotland and Northern England moving out into the North Sea. Plenty of showers following along behind though, so showers maybe merging long spells of rain still, possibly with some rumbles of thunder through Scotland into Northern Ireland, into northern and western England, into north and west Wales, and a few showers into southwestern southern counties as well. Areas of that through the Midlands, east and southeast England, yes, a few showers will push through, but here have the best chance of driest weather. The strongest winds with gusts up to 40 miles an hour in the west and northwest will migrate southwards and eastwards through the course of the afternoon across England and Wales, and temperatures this afternoon will be ranging from around 15 to 23, which isn't too far from average time of year. But in the more general areas of rain, temperatures will be suppressed, and with the strong winds as well, it will actually feel quite cool, and dare I say it, maybe a tad autumnal. Overnight tonight, low pressure continues to dominate the weather, although many of the showers will die back to the coastal areas, so showers in the north and northwest, around western eastern coast, but many inland regions and down in the south, we should see quite a bit of dry weather. Temperatures tonight are going to be ranging from around 10 to 16, so no problems there. And the winds will be moderating as the night wears on as well. Low pressure still in control for Sunday, so although many places will start off dry and bright, we will find a scattering of showers developing through the course of the afternoon. Many of those showers will be in the north, so again, through Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England into northern parts of Wales. That's where the most frequent showers will be. There could be showers further south than that, but large portions of central southern England and Wales should stay mostly dry. I would have thought maybe some wet weather threatening the far southwest by the evening. Temperatures tomorrow, again very close to average, 15, 23, but with lighter winds it should feel a little bit warmer than it does today. Neutral comes in across country on Monday. This one's a bit further southwards. So Sunday night into Monday looks like it'll turn very wet across parts of England and Wales with some heavy and thundery rain. And through Monday itself actually will keep spells of heavy thundery rain pushing eastwards across England and Wales. Won't be continuously wet. There will be dry spells in between, but when the downpours push through, there could be some really quite wet weather actually across England and Wales on Monday. Sunshine showers for Scotland, Northern Ireland into far north of England, but showers should be a little bit more scattered than they have been over recent days or previous days. And the temperatures on Monday will actually be quite cool, so only ranging from around 13 to 21 just 70 in Fahrenheit. That area of low pressure gets out of the way into the North Sea as we move into Tuesday, so we're back to sunshine showers on Tuesday. Much of England and Wales mostly dry, many of the showers across Scotland, north-eastern parts of England. Again, there could be a few heavier showers mixed in, but they probably will be more scattered and a little bit lighter on Tuesday compared to the days before. Temperatures again back up close to average, around 15 to 23. On into Wednesday, signs of higher pressure beginning to start ridging in, although the trough of low is still close to the north-east, so further showers likely for the eastern parts of Scotland, north-eastern England. Otherwise, the emphasis starts to change towards drier and brighter weather with more in the way of sunny spells. Temperature begin to lift up as well, ranging from around 15 to 25. 25 is 77 in Fahrenheit. And that's the trend through to the second half of next week as higher pressure starts to take over across the country and to the east with this area of low pressure out in the Atlantic. We begin to pull the wind up from a southerly direction. So Thursday should bring a lot of dry weather across the country with bright or sunny spells, just one or two scattered showers here and there. And temperatures will be significantly warmer on Thursday as well, going up to around 20 to say 27 being 81 in Fahrenheit. And through into Friday, well, low pressure is out to the west of Ireland and west of Scotland, high pressure to the east again, withdrawing up this southerly flow. Quite a lot of uncertainty about what happens when we get to Friday and into the weekend. Potentially, it could turn very, very hot. There is some really hot air sitting just to our south. It just depends how much of that we tap into and how quickly this area of low pressure progresses eastwards. I think Friday will be a mostly dry day. There could be funky rain through parts of North Wales, Northern Ireland and Western Scotland, maybe North West England as well. Areas further south and east of that should get plenty of dry, fine conditions with lots of sunshine in the south and east. Potentially hot in the southeast. How hot could it go? Maybe up to 30 degrees, 86 in Fahrenheit. And then on into the weekend. Again, lots of uncertainty. We are drawing up wind from the south. We have got some very hot air just over the other side of the channel by the time you get through to Saturday. But there is a trough as well that's involved with this. So let's wait and see what happens. Potentially, we could turn really hot, and by that, I'm talking about temperatures up to 32, 33, maybe higher than that, possibly even into the mid-30s Celsius. But there is also the chance of thunderstorms, bringing a quick end to this hot weather. So it's one of those where we'll keep you posted, but things do start getting really quite interesting by the end of next week, and we'll be keeping you updated about that at GavsWeatherVids, of course. All right, let's have a quick look at charts from the weather outlook. So today got all of the showers and wet weather in the northwest. The driest weather is over in the east and southeast. Tomorrow, we're looking at further showers, especially so for central and northern regions. Then Monday, the wettest weather will be across England and Wales. Showers perhaps a little bit less frequent further north. Really cool as well in many places by the time we get through to Monday. Further showers likely on Tuesday, but then the emphasis starts to change to drier weather through Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Temperatures will be getting hotter, more away sunshine. There could be thundery showers though in the far west and northwest by the time we get through to the end of next week. And then next weekend, it's a case of how hot will it get and how widespread will those thunderstorms be. Keep you updated. Right, so in summary, we're looking at a relatively cool and showery start. Things will be turning drier as we get into the middle of the week, and then the second half of next week is a lot drier and also turning significantly warmer or even hotter. We watch this space for next weekend. We're going to be back shortly with 10 to 14 down. Obviously, we will bring you up to date with all of the latest developments with the potential for hot weather next weekend, maybe potential for a heat wave next weekend. So we'll bring you up to date with all of that in today's 10 to 14 down. But for the weekend forecast this week, that's all for now. And thanks for watching.